You need to hear this if you're fascinated by the extraordinary 10 people with mind-blowing genetic mutations. Imagine people who feel no pain, never age, or remember every day of their lives with perfect clarity. It sounds like science fiction, but these are real individuals, living proof of the extraordinary diversity hidden in our DNA. They challenge our understanding of biology, with genetic mutations so rare that scientists are still trying to comprehend them. Each person is a living puzzle, offering clues to human potential and evolution. Today we'll meet 10 such people whose stories redefine what it means to be human. Get ready to have your perception of human limits shattered. Stay with us. Our final story features a mutation so powerful, it will change how you see the human body forever. Topic 1. The girl who can't feel pain, Olivia Farnsworth. In Huddersfield, England, Olivia Farnsworth lives without pain, a sensation most of us can't imagine losing. As a child, Olivia was hit by a car and dragged down the street. She stood up, unbothered, with serious injuries. Genetic testing revealed a rare chromosome 6 deletion. No pain, no hunger, no sleep. Her parents must constantly check for injuries and remind her to eat and rest. Without pain, the world is full of hidden dangers. Olivia's story shows how vital pain is, and how extraordinary the human body can be. Topic 2. The baby with super strength, Liam Hoekstra. Liam Hoekstra from Michigan was born with superhuman strength. At 5 months he could hold himself in the Iron Cross on gymnastics rings, something most adults can't do. By age 3, he moved furniture and had a bodybuilder's physique. Medical tests revealed myostatin-related muscle hypertrophy, a rare condition where his body lacks the protein that limits muscle growth. Without this off switch, Liam's muscles grow freely, giving him double the muscle mass and very little body fat. His strength isn't from training, it's in his DNA. He burns calories rapidly and must eat constantly to keep up. This rare mutation is seen in only a handful of humans and some animals like Belgian blue cattle. For Liam, it means natural, functional power far beyond his peers. His story reveals how our DNA can unlock hidden physical potential. While it brings challenges, it also shows what happens when the body's limits are removed. Liam is a living example of strength unbound. His existence expands our understanding of human capability. Topic 3. The woman who never ages, Brooke Greenberg. Brooke Greenberg lived 20 years with the body and mind of a toddler, a true medical mystery. She never grew beyond 30 inches or 16 pounds, her development frozen in time. Doctors called her condition Syndrome X. Her organs aged at different rates with no clear diagnosis. Scientists believe her genes may hold clues to the aging process. Brooke's short life was an enigma, but her legacy could change our understanding of time and development. Topic 4. The man who resists cold, Wim Hof. This is a story you won't believe. Wim Hof, the Iceman, has redefined human endurance. He's climbed Mount Kilimanjaro in shorts, stood in ice for hours, and run barefoot in the Arctic. Scientists once thought he had a rare genetic mutation, but Hof credits his abilities to a unique training method: breathing, meditation, and cold exposure. To test him, researchers injected him with a bacterial toxin that should have caused fever and chills. Using his techniques, Hof consciously controlled his immune response, experiencing almost no symptoms. He then trained others to do the same in just 10 days. The results proved that we can influence our autonomic nervous system, something once thought impossible. Hof's power isn't just genetic, it's a demonstration of human potential. He's shown that the mind can command the body in ways science never expected. While he may have some genetic edge, his real strength is unlocking abilities we all might possess. Wim Hof's story blurs the line between biology and willpower. He's a living example that our limits are far from fixed. The Iceman's legacy is a new frontier for human control over the body. Topic 5. Children with night vision. The Moken people. The Moken people of Southeast Asia are sea nomads, and their children have an extraordinary gift: underwater vision. From a young age, Moken kids dive to the ocean floor, eyes wide open, spotting tiny shells and camouflaged creatures with ease. Their eyes can constrict pupils and reshape lenses, giving them twice the underwater clarity of other children. This adaptation is similar to aquatic animals like seals. Research shows that with practice, other children can improve their underwater vision too. The Moken reveal the brain's incredible capacity to adapt to its environment. Their story is a testament to human potential shaped by both nature and nurture. Topic 6. The Man Who Never Sleeps, Al Herpin. This is a case that truly defies belief. Al Herpin of New Jersey claimed he never slept, a claim that baffled doctors for decades. He lived to 94, in good health, with no bed in his home. Observers never caught him dozing, even after long days of work. Medical exams found nothing wrong. He was alert, lucid, and outlived many who studied him. Science tells us sleep is essential for health, yet Herpin seemed to defy this rule. One theory is that he experienced microsleeps, brief, unnoticed moments of rest. Without modern brain scans, we may never know the truth. Herpin's case remains a medical mystery, challenging our understanding of sleep. Was he a genetic outlier, or did he master a hidden form of rest? His life is a question mark in biology, a reminder that some phenomena remain unexplained. Herpin's story pushes the boundaries of what we think is necessary for survival. He is a legend at the edge of science. His sleeplessness remains one of medicine's most intriguing puzzles. Topic 7. The Woman Who Feels No Pain, Jo Cameron. This is a truly extraordinary story. Jo Cameron from Scotland lived decades unaware she was different. She simply never felt pain. Burns, cuts, even surgery left her unfazed, needing no painkillers. After a painless surgery, doctors discovered she had a mutation in the FAA-out gene. This gene regulates anandamide, the bliss molecule that dulls pain and boosts mood. In Jo, anandamide levels are always high, making her body a natural painkiller factory. She scores 0 on anxiety and depression scales, never feels panic, and heals quickly. Her mutation explains her pain-free, worry-free life. Scientists are now studying her genes to develop new painkillers and anxiety treatments. Jo's case offers hope for millions suffering from chronic pain. She's not just a medical marvel, she's a roadmap to a world with less suffering. Her story shows how a single genetic change can transform experience. Jo Cameron's life is a beacon for future medicine. Her unique biology could change how we treat pain forever. Topic 8. The Man Immune to HIV, Stephen Crone. This is a story that changed the course of medical history. During the AIDS crisis, Stephen Crone watched loved ones die, yet he never contracted HIV despite repeated exposure. Scientists discovered he carried the CCR5 delta 32 mutation, which makes the CCR5 receptor on immune cells defective. HIV uses this receptor to enter cells, but in Crohn, the lock is broken. The virus can't get in. This mutation is most common in people of Northern European descent and may have protected ancestors from ancient plagues. Crohn's genetic shield made him effectively immune to HIV. His case led to the development of entry inhibitor drugs and inspired the only known HIV cure, a bone marrow transplant from a donor with the same mutation. Crohn's willingness to be studied changed the course of HIV research. His genetic anomaly didn't just save him, it provided a map for saving others. The CCR5 mutation is now a target for new treatments and prevention. Crohn's story is a testament to the power of genetic diversity. He turned personal tragedy into scientific progress. His legacy is hope for millions. Stephen Crone's DNA helped rewrite the fight against HIV. Topic 9. The Woman with Supermemory, Jill Price. Jill Price remembers every day of her life in vivid detail, a condition called hyperthymesia. She can recall any date, event, or even the weather from years ago with perfect accuracy. Her memory is automatic and relentless, replaying her past like an endless movie. While she can relive happy moments, she's also haunted by every mistake and heartbreak. For her, the past never fades or softens. Brain scans show her memory centers are unusually large, but the exact cause remains a mystery. Jill's story forces us to rethink the nature of memory. Forgetting is as important as remembering. It helps us heal and move on. Jill lives without that filter, her strengths, also her burdens. She is a living testament to the brain's power, and its cost. Her experience reveals the double-edged sword of perfect recall. Jill Price's life is both extraordinary and challenging. Her memory shows us the true complexity of the human mind. Emphasize. Topic 10. The man with unbreakable bones, LRP5, mutation. After a severe car crash, a Nebraska man's X-rays revealed bones so dense they seemed unbreakable. His family shared this trait, resistant to fractures and age-related bone loss. Scientists traced it to a mutation in the LRP5 gene which controls bone growth. In this family, the gene's on switch is stuck, causing constant bone building. Their skeletons are off the charts in strength and density. Some have minor side effects like heavy jaws, but the benefits are remarkable. The discovery electrified the medical community. It offers a blueprint for treating osteoporosis and strengthening bones in the elderly. Drugs mimicking this mutation could help millions. This family's DNA may hold the key to ending bone fragility. Their story is a reminder that random genetic quirks can change lives and medicine. The LRP5 mutation is a real-life superpower. Their legacy could make us all stronger. From unbreakable bones to minds that never forget, these people aren't superheroes. They're proof that human evolution is ongoing. Their stories show that our DNA is a living script, full of surprises and possibilities. Each mutation is a glimpse of a different future for our species. These outliers expand our understanding of what it means to be human. Their challenges and strengths offer hope for new treatments and deeper self-knowledge. Which story amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. If you want more real stories that defy science, subscribe and join us for the next journey into the extraordinary.